This is Ekwulobia Urban Mass Transit Motor Park. You are going to Olo, you are going to Oka, you are going to Lagos from Ekwulobia. This is where you board the bus. This is the dual carriageway that leads to Oko. That's where we have Federal Polytechnic to Oko in Nigeria. This is their motor park. You want to board the bus to Oka, Lagos, Abuja, Onitsha. From Ekwulobia, this is where you board their bus. Ekwulobia Urban Mass Transit. Their vehicles are very sound. You can check it out. Ekwulobia flyover. You can see the Ekwulobia flyover. Ekwulobia long bridge. You can see the flyover bridge. Yes. It's Ekwulobia flyover. It's Ekwulobia flyover. Yes. This is Senate Bank. Senate Bank Ekwulobia. This is Ekwulobia flyover. It's a very long flyover built by the governor of Anambra State.